Function description. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 30 circles to get a full power. Position 1, setting moon phase. Note, the moon phase cannot be set when the time is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Position 2, adjusting time. Do not turn the hands anti-clockwise. Example: set the time to 8 a.m., 9th. Position 0, manual winding. Turn the crown forwards more than 30 circles to get a full power. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards, adjust the hands. Recommended to 6 o'clock. Avoid the restricted area. Push the crown back to position 1. 1, setting moon phase quickly. Check the moon phase chart. The date of the last full moon is 4th. Calculate the days between last full moon and 9th, that is 5. Turn the crown backwards to quickly adjust. The full moon appears in the center of the moon phase window. Continue to turn the crown backwards, so that the moon phase jumps for times, to adjust the moon phase to the day before 9th. 2. Setting date quickly. Turn the crown forwards to adjust the date before 9th, which is 8th. Pull the crown out to position 2. Turn the crown backwards. Observe the hands rotating and moon phase jumping one more time, to 9th and 8 a.m. It is also the moon phase of 9th. Push the crown back to position 0 after the setting.